Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to use Vheer AI. As you can see now, Vheer has many options. It has text to image, text to video, image to image, multi-images to image, and so on. So now what are we going to do is to simply go and sign in using our account. And here on the top right side, you can see here the number of credits that you have that you can actually use in order to do some work with the application or with the software or with the website. So I'm gonna click on start creating now. And here you have multiple options. You can choose between any one of them. And here when you click on this arrow beside the option, here it will show you more and more options as you can see. And now let's say that I want to create or make a video out of the image. So I'm gonna click on this one right here. Then I'm gonna click on select images and I'm gonna select from my computer. Let's say this image for example. Now I'm gonna type the prompt, make this cat laying with a wool ball, and then make it run and change the background to blue color. Now you need to know that they only give you 50 credits each month for the free plan. So I'm gonna click on generate and this will cost me 0 credits. So I'm gonna click on generate and see what is the result. How is it going? It will take a couple of seconds in order to generate my video. I will get to you once I get the video ready. And now here as you can see it generated the video. I know it is not that good, but it has a result, so no problem. And it's changed the color of the background. Now you can even click on the models and choose which model that you want to actually use. You have here Veo 3, C-Dance V1.5, LTX Video, Sora 2, Minimax Helio. You have multiple options, but here in my case I have only the free option, which is the Vheer quality. Here you have also the ratios, the think mode, and here the duration. You can choose between the duration and the resolution also. I'm gonna choose 20 seconds and I'm gonna use now another tool. You can even download the video that you actually created. And now I'm gonna use another tool. Let's say that I will use the background remover. I'm gonna click on select image. Then here I will choose this image for example. And I'm gonna click on remove background. And I think this will cost me some credits. No, actually it didn't cost me anything. Now you can simply click on download. You can even click on hold to compare with the original, as you can see, and it's actually very smooth. You can go and click on background. You can choose between creating a new background if you would like. You can even go to image, choose the another image as you can see. You can even go to textures, use some textures like so. You can go and click on AI background and let's say that I need a background other cats behind it, for example. Then I'm gonna click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds also to generate me the image. And actually this tool is very useful if you are a graphic designer, if you are a video editor, content creator, marketer, etc. And I will get back to you once the image is finished. And here we go. It's actually smooth and it is perfect for to be honest. You can even do the undo button. If you would like to reset everything, you can simply click on this option right here. Or if you want to undo something, you can simply click on this option right here. If you want to redo, click on this option and so on. It takes some time. It's a little bit slow, but no problem. It's the free option. And of course, if you are actually paying for the paid version, you will get more and more options and you will get faster response, of course. Okay, I think these buttons doesn't do what I said. But now let's look at the plans that we got. You have here to click on your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. You can see here the available credits. You can go to billing and credits. And now here, as you can see, it tells you exactly that you get 50 monthly credits and I have now 50. Here, as you can see, each plan will give you more and more credits up to $50, which will give you 5,000 credits. And this is actually a huge number. You can even pay yearly in order to get more and more discounts. You have multiple options, as I said, but just because I do not want to make this video very long, you can choose any one of these options and try to generate your own images or videos, whatever you have. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.